How to change keybinds on your Roblox. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys if it is possible for you to change the default keybinds on your Roblox. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get into the video. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Roblox and get into any game. So I have logged into this random game here. Now what you want to do now is just go ahead and tap on the escape button on your keyboard, which is on the top left of your screen on your keyboard. So if you tap on this button, this menu will pop up where it will show you all of the people in the game. Now on the top you will see different tabs like people. If you go to settings, you can adjust the game settings from here. Now if you go to captures, you can screen record this game. If you go to report, you can report any player you want. And finally, if you get to the help section, you will find all of the keybinds that has previously been set. Now what you want to do to change is, if you double click on it, as you can see, nothing is happening. So unfortunately, there is no way for you to change the default keybinds on the Roblox right for now. But if Roblox brings out any new updates where it is possible to change the keybinds, then we will be the first one to let you know. For that, make sure to turn on the post notification and subscribe to our channel. That's it for this video. I will see you on the next one.